today I'm doing something. Obviously, if you read the title, you would know what I'm doing. I have my garbage computer that's disgusting and has nail polish on one of the keys, and that was not for me, but it's there. Then I have this amp, which is it's pretty old. I have no idea how old it is, but it's old. It's missing the input select key, only because there is none, because all the inputs are right here. All the inputs. Yeah, I have two subs right here, one there, one there. This one's gross. This one's pretty, it looks pretty good. This one's fairly new. Actually, I think I'm gonna actually blow this one for the YouTube views, even though I don't even make a single cent of revenue. It doesn't matter. I'll still do it. What the heck? Did you just? The volume's all the way down. I think I recorded that. I have no idea what that was. Hopefully. Wait, here's. That was just Transformer. If this ever breaks, I'm gonna blow all three of these. And, like, if I hit, 50 subscribers, I'll blow all of these. But yeah, I have no idea. I don't think I'll ever hit 50. I'm only at 16. By the way, this came out of that. Right there, that was a Samsung sub, and then the amp broke. It stopped working. So, my dad bought a new one, and I got this one. I took it out, and obviously, I'm gonna be doing stuff with it, messing around with it. It has a rubber surround, paper cone. It is a pretty smooth cone. It has a funky dust cap. It feels like weird. It feels like snake skin, even though there's no way that is snake skin, though. And then this one, I put sand in this one. That's why this one's all gross and stuff. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna blow this one only because, I can, and because why not? But yeah. I think this amp is powerful enough to blow that. I have no idea. I mean, it struggled on a 1-watt speaker, a full range, if you remember that video, which kind of pathetic. But I think that was just the protection circuit. It did go into protect right as it blew. I don't know why it doesn't go in there earlier, but whatever. I don't know. Yeah, so before I spend the whole video talking about that, let's start playing. Damn, why is this playing? I didn't play it. It's moving, but I have no idea why that is. This one's left and that one's right. I know I should change it, but I don't really want to. So yeah, let's just get on to it. We'll start with this one. I was originally going to put it on here, but this was rattling a ton, so just enjoy it. This is pretty cool. I like this one better, definitely. I like the surround. I love that surround. It's so cool. This one's pretty cool. You hear that? This sounds clear, right? Now if we go to this one, do you hear that little noise? Yeah, it's very subtle, but I can hear that, and that's why I'm probably gonna blow it. And these are not bridged. These are, you know, have their own channels. So yeah, that's why they might not. That's why they might be out of phase. I'm so fresh. I'm so clean, so smooth coming through. I pop and these are Flexin hard. This one's made for high power. This one's made for 70 watts. This one's made for 30 or 40. So this one will probably be. Oh, that looks so cool. I put on this carpet just because there's a metal thing under here. I didn't want to move it. There's a bunch of stuff, so I just put it there so it wouldn't, you know, rattle. Oh damn, it's so beautiful in these songs. I mean, this one obviously more than that one. This one's a little scratched up and stuff. It has glue. It's going nuts. Oh. So yeah, we're gonna play a different song. That was one. I'm gonna play. Wait, hold on. I'm sitting on something. Oh, what? Phone charger? Okay. Yeah, it wasn't really that high volume. It was like maybe about here. I don't remember. But yeah, we're gonna play something else. I'm gonna play King of Bass by Bass Mechanic. See it. I'm gonna probably do it later or something. Yeah, I got a light. It's pretty bright. I think I'm gonna move it from here. But yeah, I'm gonna restart the song and we'll listen to it again. Let's do it. And you can now see below. This one has slightly smaller chord than this. I believe this is 2 and this is like 1.5. Damn. Ooh. Damn. That's a ton. These both have a ton of excursion. Let me know in the description what you like more. The OG or the new kid. Preferably I like the old school because this one's extremely old. It has foam surround and what is it? Pressed paper basket. I mean not basket, cone. Yeah, this one's fairly new. This one's only a couple years old. This one's way, way, way older. It's like 5, maybe. I don't know. This is out of a Magnavox system. Yeah, max 60 watts. This thing outputs, I don't know, like 100, 150. I have no idea. It doesn't actually tell you. Oh, it does. This one doesn't tell you. It doesn't actually tell you the wattage, even though those numbers probably mean something. This has a magnet vent. You know that little grill thing? That air comes out of that, and that cools the grill better. Yeah, this is super cool. I really like these subs a lot. Damn, I love that so much. I'm just gonna record this. The beauty. Let me move this light somewhere. I'm gonna play another song, but yeah, this stupid app on my computer stopped working. And it's not the key. It's not the key. I can't play music. I can't. Which kind of sucks. Oh wait, no. Now it's working. I swear to God, just before it wasn't working. Okay, well now it is. It happened again. An error occurred. If this happens again, I'm just gonna stop the video. This is kind of annoying now. I realized I was actually on my dad's Deezer account, so that might be why. And he might be trying to log in, you know, listen to his music or something. But yeah. Well, let's try it. Hopefully this time Slow Rolla actually plays. No, I'd kind of want it to. Okay. Let's turn this thing up. I'm checking if there's any errors. Why? Is it this song? Is it just this song? I swear to God, it's this song. Every other song works fine. Oh yeah, hold on. Okay, this time we're gonna be going with, you know, some bass I Love You. Don't mind any other songs in my playlist. It's not important. But yeah, we're gonna be going with Bass I Love You by Bass Mechanic and Basstronics. And yeah, let's start this up right now. Hopefully it doesn't break. Oh yeah. It's pretty cool. Three kinds of bass. Let me check which one. Yeah, it's this one. By the way, all songs will be in the description. Just letting you know. recording this, but literally the amp just went into protect. Literally, I was about to switch a song, and then the the relay switched off. Don't know why. This coil feels a little warm, not too bad. Oh, this one, damn, this one's like, I can feel it right there. It's pretty warm. So yeah, this one I guess got its life saved by this pretty average amp. You can see the vacuum fluorescent display pulsing. I believe it's vacuum fluorescent. And it's probably powered AC something. I honestly don't know if it is. I don't think it is though. I just realized. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Tell me which sub you think is your favorite, either old school or the new kid. I want to know. I'll tell you in the next video if I remember to. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Time for me to go edit it with my very awesome, definitely awesome editing skills. See you again next time.